Photosynthesis is a vital biological process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy, usually from the sun, into chemical energy stored in the form of glucose. This process mainly takes place in specialized cell structures called chloroplasts, which contain the green pigment chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight and uses its energy to drive a series of chemical reactions. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through tiny openings in their leaves, called stomata, and water from the soil through their roots. Using light energy, these raw materials are transformed into glucose, which serves as food for the plant, and oxygen, which is released into the atmosphere as a byproduct. The overall process can be divided into two main stages. The light-dependent reactions, which capture and convert solar energy into chemical energy in the form of ATP and NADPH, and the light-independent reactions, also known as the Calvin cycle, where carbon dioxide is fixed into glucose. Photosynthesis is not only essential for the survival of plants but also plays a critical role in maintaining life on Earth, as it provides oxygen for respiration and forms the base of most food chains. Without photosynthesis, life as we know it would not exist, making it one of the most important processes in the natural world.